Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Notebook LLM has introduced another new exciting feature, which is the deep research. Yes, they have introduced this, and if you just go to this Notebook LLM, here you see that under this drop down there is two options. One is the fast research, another one is the deep research. And you know that if you want to access this deep research inside the chat GPT, then you need the $20, then only you will get this deep research capability. But here inside this Notebook LLM you will get it for free, and here you see that I have just used it, and this is the long documentation that they will give you, and you will get this notification that deep research completed. Here you see that they are rolling out now, and deep research browses hundreds of sites to craft an organized report and gives you an annotated list of sources for deeper exploration. And if you just go this, here you see that for my case, they have just added these top 17 sources, means deeply they have searched over the internet that in which this long cat model is present, and the information over the internet, and they have gathered this, and after that this is the whole long article that they have given me. Okay, so just go to this Notebook LLM and just add sources from this add sources, and after that on the left hand side you will find this fast research and this deep research. So just select this deep research, and here ask any question like how is GPT 5.1 is better than the GPT 5, and press enter, and here you see planning, please stay on this page, and they will search over the internet about this GPT 5.1 information and will give you the full report. Okay, and another thing is that if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Yesterday I made a video on this Arni 4.5, and now again today I made a video on this Arni 5.0, and this Arni 5.0 is beating the Gemini 2.5 Pro and GPT-5 High, which is actually good because this Arni 5.0 is using a trillion parameter model, but at a time they are activating some of the parameters, but they are giving the good results. And this Arni 5.0 supports the multimodal, means the text, images, video, all of the things. So you will get the good advantage of image generation, video generation, and also if you upload the video, then it will tell you and it will explain you that things. And now here you see that the generation is completed, and now it is mentioning the top 20 sources. If I click on it, here you see that all of the sources that it has found, it is mentioned here. Okay, and after that if you just hide the sources, this is the long documentation that they have given here, that what is the difference between this 5.1 and 5, what are the new changes that they have introduced, the full documentation that you can read out, and that means you can actually write this whole research things and you can provide it to others. Okay, this is the tools and this is the things that is introduced, right? So this new deep research will be helpful for you, and it is completely available for free, so please give it a try. So yes, if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and please make sure to try this new feature inside Notebook LLM, and please let me know your experience in the comment section.